What's up, guys? Thanks for checking out the channel, watching my video. Today I'm doing a product review on Grab Green laundry detergent. Okay, so Grab Green. How did I discover this? I saw it on Facebook and I thought I'd click on it. I looked at it and I saw they had this line called Stoneworks. The company is called Grab Green. And they're a natural organic company and their stuff is pure and they have a disclosure. Everything has all the products listed on it that will tell you exactly, true transparency they call it. We want you to know what's inside and why. So they'll list all the products that are used in it and what they do, what tasks they perform in the cleaning. So they have different lines. This is Stoneworks and they have another line which is just their basic laundry detergent from Grab Green. I'll talk about this first. This is the basic one. This one's lavender with vanilla. I got that for the sheets because I thought, man, it smells good. Nice smell. A little, very lightly vanilla, lightly lavender. This one, I don't notice the smell once I wash with it. It completely disappears. This stuff, however, is a different story. This is called Stoneworks. They have 3 different smells. They have birch branch, oak tree, and olive leaf. They're very masculine smells. You know, there's a brand of laundry detergent on the market. It's kind of a fad now that people are using. It's really perfumey. You can smell somebody coming down the hall that uses this laundry detergent. This is not like that. It's really subtle. I love to wash my masks in it because when I put a mask on and it smells like this, it's great. But they're really earthy, masculine smells. The birch branch is warm and earthy. The oak tree is bold and spicy, and the olive leaf is fresh and fruity. You can get them better detail when you go online. I like them all. This one I surprisingly liked a lot. The olive leaf, the fresh and fruity. It's not feminine at all. It's a masculine smell, but it's kind of fresh and fruity. It's exactly what it says. And then you can buy dryer sheets with it. They're just dryer sheets. And they match the smells, so it kind of intensifies it. How do they work? I think they work great. I love the way my fabric feels after you use them. It just feels really clean and dry. I don't know if that makes sense. It's not fabric softening-ish feeling, kind of greasy. This is really crisp and dry feeling, but it's still soft and pleasant, but it's got a really nice feel to it. It does remove stains. All right, guys, we're gonna do a test wash too. So I've taken a white or cream colored pillowcase. I have dirt that I've rubbed in. This is coffee with coffee grounds, ketchup, and mustard. I'm gonna let this set for a few hours. And then we're gonna throw it in the wash and see how it does. Now they've gone about this too to make it, since there's a problem with kids nom-nomming on laundry detergent, because it looks like candy, they specifically designed this a white pod, simple. Not appealing, doesn't look like candy. They've also made an extremely bitter casing around it. So if they put it in their mouth, they're gonna spit it out. And it is natural, should they get it in their mouth, and it's also difficult to swallow, according to the package. But anyway, I use 2 pods per load, regardless of the size, which I usually do pretty big loads. I use, this one says 1 pod for small and medium loads, 2 pods for large or extra large. I just throw 2 pods in there. As far as price, they are a little bit pricier. I compared this to 3 different things. I compared my Grab Green products to Tide and Downy and Great Value products. Of course, the Great Value is going to be cheaper. A load of Great Value cost about 44 cents. That's two pods and a laundry sheet. If I were to use Tide and Downy, it's going to run about 51 cents a wash, a load. This guy runs 69 cents a load. Is it worth the difference? I think so. I like this stuff a lot. And in fact, I kind of went crazy and got obsessive with the company. Like I said, this is one of the laundry detergents. This is a disposal cleaner that smells like lemongrass. And you just drop it in, run some warm water, smells up your disposal when it's gross. It doesn't foam, which I don't like. I'd like to see some foaming action going on, but it really does smell good. This guy is cookware and bakeware cleaner pods. It safely removes burnt on food. All you do is you get, if you have something with gras-du, which in Louisiana, a friend of mine called gross stuff on the bottom of a pan gras-du. So if the gras-du is on the bottom of the pan, you toss in there with some warm water, stir it up a little bit, let it set 5 to 10 minutes, and supposedly you can wash it right out. I have not used this because I've not burned anything or cooked anything with gras-du. This is some of their all-purpose cleaner. They have a bunch of different stuff. This one is thyme and fig leaf, and it smells so good because I just don't like the chemically smell on stuff. And so, and it's natural. It's not harmful to you. So now my next thing, I want to show you how one of these pods dissolves in water, and then I'll switch around and show you how it foams. All right, guys, here is a container of warm water. It's not hot, it's not cold, so I went with warm. Here's our Grab Green pod. We're gonna drop that in and see how long it takes to dissolve. It's already opening up, look at that. Really fast. Wow. That just falls apart. I guess give it a little stir like you're a washing machine. So there's still a clump in there, but I mean, it's going to be a washing machine, so it's going to keep rolling. Oh, you can smell it all the way up back here. There's our clump. Squish. I want to see how foamy it gets if I slosh it around. So it does have smaller parts, but in the washing machine, I've not had any problem with it clumping. All right, guys, this is the results of the washing. That is our ketchup. There is still a little bit of staining left, not a ton. The mustard really stained. This is the coffee. It's gone, and the dirt is gone. But you can see actually some mustard got right down there. So it's still there. So we did have a problem with 2 of the stains. So how did it do cleaning wise? About what I expected. So mustard's a tough stain. Ketchup, tomato, also a tough stain. The other 2 came out really well. They do make an oxy pod that you can drop in there too. I do not have that. I don't really use that much. If I have something like that, I'll give it a squirt, a shout, or a stain remover and wash it out, and that'll take care of it. So as far as stain removing, I think it did as good as expected. That's it, guys. That's my quick review of Grab Green products. Love, 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 love them. I could smell this stuff all day, I'm telling you. Takes me back to art school. They really, man, they smell good. Give it a try. Once again, I would like to let you all know that I am not reimbursed by these guys. I've purchased all this stuff with my money. They haven't given me discounts or anything for doing this. Discounts you can find online. I do Google searches for coupons for Grab Green, and you can usually find a 10 or 15% out there. You also can sign up for them, and they'll send you stuff in emails. I love it. Give it a try. If you tell me what you think, if you do try it, if you've used it before, give me a comment down below and see if y'all like it as much as I do. That's it, guys. Hope you enjoyed my little quick review. You guys have a great day. Keep in touch. If you have any questions or comments, put them down below. And if you are not a subscriber, please click subscribe. We would love to have you on board. You guys have a great and safe week.